Hello viewers, in this video I am going to show you how to schedule a call on WhatsApp. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you do not make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, thanks guys. So let's get started. First of all, you tap on your WhatsApp apps. Next, you tap on calls. After that, tap on call this icon. You can see here schedule call. Tap on this. Now you can see your schedule call time. You can see here why you keeping me waiting. After that, select date. Next, after that call type, select voice. Select this icon, tap on this. Select anyone number, contact, inbox. You can see here this. Hopefully your problem solved successfully.